Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to delete WhatsApp group permanently by admin. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So as you can see here, we have here a group of WhatsApp, and now I will show you how to delete it permanently. So first of all guys, tap on the group that you want to remove, then tap in his name, and the first thing here, you need to remove all the members from the group before deleted. So scroll down and go to members, and as you can see here, I have only two members, me and someone else. So you should be to remove all the members and keep only your account. Okay, so if you want to remove someone, just tap on it and tap remove from group, then remove. And as you can see here, I'm only who join this group. Okay, you should be to keep only your contact as your admin. Okay, so after remove all the members, go here and tap exit group, then tap exit group and tap delete group, then delete group. Perfect. So this is how you can remove or delete group WhatsApp permanently. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and see you to the next video.